Online course creators. Kajabi versus Udemy. Which is better for selling your courses? One gives you total control. The other gives you a huge audience. Your choice changes everything. Kajabi is a full creator platform where you own your course, your audience, and your pricing. You get email marketing, funnels, sales pages, and memberships built in. Perfect if you want to grow your brand and business. Udemy is a marketplace with millions of students ready to buy. You get exposure and traffic without marketing, but you don't own your audience, and Udemy controls pricing, discounts, and revenue splits. So, if you want control branding and long-term business value, Kajabi wins. If you want built-in audience and fast reach without upfront marketing, Udemy wins. Which one matches your course goals? Comment below and follow for more quick comparisons.